our knowledge and our dance is from traditional West African dance. We've been touring all the way to Nigeria, West Africa, Canada, Mexico, and all through the United States. Of course, the black represent the people of Africa. Red is for our passion and for our struggles, and green is for those fruits that come from struggle and also the riches of Africa, including our babies.